Hello students, I'm Vipul Mittal, and in this session I will discuss when you have to capitalize interest on any asset. So you purchase an asset or you construct an asset, you may have to capitalize interest on that. For example, you're constructing a building. During the construction period, you may have to capitalize interest, or you have acquired an asset, you have purchased an asset, still you have to capitalize interest in certain cases. Now, the question that we have is that when you have to capitalize interest, when you have to include the amount of interest in the cost of asset. So you have to include amount of interest in the cost of asset. That is, you have to capitalize when certain conditions are met. Let's discuss those. First condition is that expenditure has been incurred. So you have acquired an asset or you are constructing an asset and you have incurred some expenditure. So for example, if you are constructing a building, then you are incurring expenditure on that building. You have already incurred some expenditure, at least, or you have purchased an asset, then you have incurred some expenditure on purchase. Second condition, activities are carried out to bring the asset to the condition and location necessary for its intended use. So you have incurred some expenditure, but the asset is not yet ready. It is not ready for its use. So you are carrying on some activities that you may use it. You are carrying on activities to bring it to the condition and location that is necessary for its intended use. For example, if you're constructing a building, then construction activities are in progress. Or if you have purchased an asset, still certain activities are in progress that you may use that asset. For example, certain improvement activities, certain customization activities, certain modifications. Still certain activities are being carried out on that asset. These activities are carried out that you may use it to make it ready for use. All right. Third condition is that these activities require a period of time. So some time actually is needed for these activities. These activities take some time, whether it is construction activities or improvement activities or customization activities that is happening on the asset. And these activities require some time. Fourth condition, during this time, interest cost is incurred. So you are incurring some interest cost. So for example, if you are constructing a building, you have taken some loan for construction, and on that loan, you have to pay interest. Or you have purchased an asset by borrowing from bank and you are paying interest on that. So some interest you are incurring by because you have incurred some expenditure, but the asset is not yet ready for use because activities are going on. And during this period, when you have incurred the expenditure, but asset still not ready, you are incurring some interest cost. This interest cost is capitalized. This interest cost is included in the cost of the asset. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye.